children. Today we're going to be talking about animals. How many animals are there today? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. There are 8 animals. Now, can you tell me, what animal is this? This is a rabbit. Rabbit. You say rabbit. Good. What animal is this? This is a cat. Cat. What animal is this? This is a monkey. Monkey. What animal is this? This is a bear. Bear. Can you say bear? What animal is this? This is a chick. A baby chicken. Chick. Well done. What animal is this? This is a cow. Cow. Well done. What animal is this? This is a dog. Dog. You say dog. Well done. What animal is this? This is a squirrel. Squirrel. Well done. Now, which animal eats bananas? That's right, it's the monkey. The monkey eats bananas. Well done. Which animal drinks milk? That's right, the cat. The cat drinks milk. Very good. Which animal is yellow? Which animal? That's right, the chick. The chick is yellow. Which animal lays eggs? That's right, it's the chick again. The chick lays eggs. Well done. Which animal says woof, woof? That's right, it's the dog. The dog says woof. Which animal jumps? That's right, the rabbit. The rabbit jumps. Which animals live in the woods? That's right, the bear and the squirrel live in the woods. Let's play. What do these animals eat? Carrots. Which animal eats carrots? Well done. The rabbit. The rabbit eats carrots. Which animal eats acorns? Acorns. Which animal? That's right, the squirrel. The squirrel eats acorns. Well done. This is a bone. Bone. Which animal eats bones? That's right, the dog. The dog eats bones. Well done. This is grain. Grain. Which animal eats grain? That's right, it's the chick. The chick eats grain. Well done. Which animal eats bananas? Bananas. Which one? Well done. The monkey. The monkey eats bananas. Which animal drinks milk. Milk. That's right. The cat. The cat drinks milk. Well done. This is hay. Which animal eats hay? The bear or the cow? That's right. It's the cow. The cow eats hay. Last one. Honey. Which animal eats honey? It's the bear. The bear eats honey. Well done. See you next time. Bye. If you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel, Multilingual Kids. And for news on our latest videos, please follow us on Facebook or Instagram.